And Power BI mobile is nothing but it is a mobile app. It is a mobile app which is available in, it will support almost Android, Apple, or most of the mobile devices. If you guys are using Android right now, I hope everybody have a smartphones, right? Just go to Google Store or just look for the Power BI mobile app. However, we're downloading movies and games and all, right? So just go to Google Store if you have internet right away and type it Power BI mobile app. I'm sure you should be able to see the mobile BI app there. I think you guys are busy with looking into the Power BI app in the mobile, is it? So which means whatever you publish within the Power BI service, same reports can be accessible. Business people can be within the mobile as well. That is what about the Power BI mobile. So Power BI embed is nothing but sometimes what will happen, we don't want to give complete this report to end users, okay, but I want to integrate this report into some of my websites, or assume that I'm using SharePoint portal, assume that I'm using .NET applications. So what I want is, can I integrate this report, this dashboard within my .NET application, within my SharePoint application, within my websites? The answer is yes, possible. What will happen if you go to report? So go to file, there is an option called publish to web. So it can be possible. And as you can see, if you want to save as and print the report, and if you want to download this one, so lots of things we can do using this one. Let's assume that, am I a little bit fast? Okay, cool then. So that is what high level, like as I told you, as part of demo, I can't go in depth, and I can't show within a 1 hour, I can't show each and everything here. So that's what high level we could do. And for example, once dashboard is ready, then what is next step? For example, I have designed this dashboard. If I log in, I could be able to see, but how the other people can able to see this one? For example, I want to share this one with my I want to share this with my some of my colleagues or some of my business people. Then right click on here, there is an option called share option here. Okay, so here it will ask you, here you need to enter the email IDs and enter it automatically. Bottom will be share option will be gets enabled. You can enter this one. Okay, and there are lots of things available here. We need to discuss about the the main advantage of the gateways. Gateway is nothing but see, once we deploy the reports, now this assume that I have only 6 country information here. Why? Because as of now I have 6 country. I'm running business on the 6th country. Now assume that tomorrow if I expand my business into different country, that name will not come by default here, right? So what are the data available in the source, how it's reflected in the dashboards here? So straight away is not possible, but it is possible. Now what you have to do, that case, you need to come here, you need to click on the refresh now. Refresh means again it will connect to source data, it will pull the latest data and it will load it to the this one. So now as you can see here, refresh failed due to gateway configuration issues. I want to highlight this one, gateway, that's why I just refresh. So now tell me what is refresh now. For example, simple, you're talking with your friend, he is sitting in somewhere in Kolkata somewhere, you are sitting in Bangalore location or Hyderabad location. How are you trying to communicate? Through mobiles, right? For example, I'm using Airtel mobile. If say, so how is communication happens? Everybody will say through cell phone towers only, correct? And same way, beside me, my friend also trying to call him, somebody else, he also using the same tower only. So which means gateway is nothing but the connector between, or connector between source data and Power BI service. If you want to get the latest data from the source system, you don't have other option. You have to install the gateways. You need to configure properly. So these are my previous classrooms, so gateways and all here. I mean, only one gateway possible, but we can add the multiple sources. Don't worry, we will discuss later on this one. And if you want to schedule the report, go to schedule refresh. And here you can expand this one. So right now it's disabled, like you don't need to run manually. So automatically we can uh, automatically we can schedule it. You don't need to click on the refresh daily basis. Early day, every day, each and every day, early morning report has to run.